I'm right now in Korea, Seoul. I'm here with Olens. Olens is a very famous contact lenses brand. They are really popular in Korea. A lot of K-pop celebrities actually use the contact lenses, and I've been wearing them for like more than a year now. I feel in terms of comfort, nothing really quite beats Olens. So for today's look, I'm gonna go with a peachy pink kind of color. I have decided to match it with my Olens. It's Genif Gold Tricon. Alright guys, so this is my finished look and I have on my Olenses now. Even though it's pink, it kind of looks more like a pinkish brown. It doesn't look unnatural at all. It actually looks really nice. I really love it. Alright, so I'm gonna go out shopping right now and I'll check back with you guys later at night. Today the weather has been really cold and brutal, just so dry. I have worn the contact lens the whole day and I am amazed by how comfortable it is. I only stopped to put some eye drops like once today. Yeah, so far I would give this a 10/10 for comfort, really amazing. So I guess I'll go wash up now. It's getting really late and tomorrow will be a long day, so I'll bring you guys along with me. See you tomorrow. Good morning, I am at the Olens headquarters and this whole building belongs to Olens. So right now I'm sitting at the Olens lounge. It's going to be a really exciting schedule today. First up, I'm going to be meeting up with the Olens people to find out a lot more about their brand. Olens is a really popular coloured contact lenses brand and they have more than 270 standalone stores in Korea itself. So today I'm going to be sitting in on one of their meetings where they'll be discussing the new collection, and I hope that somehow my input and like my suggestions will somehow make it into a new Olens design in future. We'll never know, fingers crossed. Alright, so right now we're starting the meeting with Olens.
I was told that the living color will be the main color of this. So we want to
Very
make
nice.
very pinkish and the coral color contact lens for the spring season.
So every season we release like seasonal contact
God.
lens. We recently released the like holiday inspired contact lens.
so
This
nice.
is called Starlight.
Okay, so we are right now outside the Olens shop at Hongdae and I'm gonna go inside, talk to an optician and get my eye examined, and at the same time I'm gonna try on some more new lenses, so let's go! Yay, I just got done at the shop and today I had my eye examined. It turned out that I don't have perfect eyesight like I always thought I did. I got to try some of the lenses and got myself some new Olens as well, yay! And I'm wearing the Symphony Green right now. I really like it. It's super comfortable and it just looks amazing. Thank you Olens for this fun experience. So this morning I looked into my Olens stash and I decided to pick the Genif Gold Tricon in blue, and this pair of lenses is very famous because G-Dragon actually wore it. He actually wore the Russian grey version. Hey guys, it's day 3 of my Korea trip and guess where I am? I just took a 2-hour train ride all the way from Seoul to Gwangju where I ended up at Geo Medical. This is where they manufacture Olenses and I can't wait to go inside, see how the factory looks like and ask a whole bunch of questions, so let's go! I'm dressed like that because I'm going inside the factory now. It has to be all super sterile and clean. So I'm going inside this thing that will sterilize me. Right now we're inside the factory and the first thing I see is these contact lenses. They are like being dropped into this case here, and it looks like really nice contact lenses, like a nice grey colour. This is so exciting. Not many people have ever came into a contact lens factory before. I'm just really happy to have the chance to look at all this. It's just amazing technology and research has gone into this, and I'm sure the equipment here is worth millions and millions of dollars. So let's go inside. We're at the next part of contact lens making. So now they are separated into these cases over here, and what happens is they are being sterilized, and it's like 20, 40 and 60 degrees. They have to be soaked in the water a grand total of 5 times before they are ready to go to the next step. Besides having machines check for the quality, they also have humans doing it as well to ensure that the quality is really top-notch and it's safe for everyone. Let's go see what they're doing. So I guess the ruler shows you how big the curves are. And now she's doing the base curve. So right now we're at the packaging stage, and it's really interesting. The plastic blister pods that are clear are actually being made here, and after they are being made, solution is being poured into the pods, and then the contact lenses are added inside, and after that they are being sealed with the cover, which is already pre-printed with the brand name. Over here you can see that it's already pre-printed with Olens. Okay, so we are at the final step for the machine, and right here we have this machine that actually takes out the box, and then it's ready to be packed and shipped to the shops. So that is when you get your final product of your contact lenses from Olens. Hey guys, it's day 4 here in Korea. I've already put on my makeup and my clothes, and I'm mostly in pastels today. For my eyeshadow, I added a little bit of silver sparkle for that whole winter vibe. So today is going to be extra cold, so I've decided to use a pair of dailies so that it will be more comfortable, and I think a pair of grey color contacts would really match the look to a T. I've chosen a pair of really famous lenses. It's the Olens Secrets lenses in coral grey, and it's famous because Rose from Blackpink actually wore it. So today I'm going to be wearing it, and you can see me transform. Right now I'm inside a traditional hanbok shop, and I'm so excited because it's my first time trying on the hanbok. After I don on the hanbok, I'm going to do a palace tour where we will be just touring around the palace and just basically looking pretty and taking pictures and just learning a little bit more about palace history and stuff like that. So after the hanbok experience, we will be cafe hopping today. So you guys really want to stay tuned so you can find out where all these cafes are, and you guys can come next time too. So I'm finally back in my hotel room and it's my last night here in Korea, and I'm really sad because this trip has been really fun and I learned so much. I'm just really beginning to really like Korea as a city. Many of you have asked me how to get Olens in Singapore. They do have a global website. It's really easy to navigate and it's in English, and they have international shipping at a flat rate of 550 USD. So if you want to get your Olens, you can get it from the global website, and I will leave the link in the description box, so go check it out. But before you make your purchase, I have great news. I have a promotion code for you guys, so you can get a nice discount. Okay, so remember to key in the code before you make your purchase. I guess that's it from me for this episode, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!